How to add or change a language, or how to add a language on Quora. Welcome guys, I will show you how to do this. Follow and watch this video till the end. Open Quora like this. It's going to take you to the home page. Go and click here right now. And next, you should open your settings. And then you have to, if we click here, don't open your settings. Just click here and click on this edit icon. And if you want to add language, click here and click language and search for a language, for example, Polish, yeah, and then click save, and that's it. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.